Good morning, little rockets. Really great to see you back down on the launch pad. Remember, why are we little rockets? We make like rockets up, 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 our minds and hearts to God. Our fingers point the way. Down, 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 down. Jesus comes to us in the Bible, in the sacraments, most especially in the Eucharist, and, of course, in the gift of one another, in the gift of church. On this third Sunday of the year, third Sunday of Ordinary Time, Jesus calls the fishermen, Simon, Peter, and Andrew, James, and John. I don't know about you, but I don't know anything at all about fishing. I'm kind of glad that Jesus doesn't play favorites and doesn't just call fishermen. You know what I mean? I just don't know anything at all about fishing. I know about fish. I know about eating fish. I don't know anything about catching fish. Nothing. Do you see them, little rockets? Do you see them? What do we do? Do you know how to fish? Look at them go. It's crazy. Hungry fish, little rockets. Hungry, hungry fish. Look at that. Wow. Wow. There they go. How would you catch them? That's the question. How would you catch them? I guess we'd need some poles. What do you think? Wouldn't we? And we need a hook. And we need a worm or a fly to do like that. To do what he's doing. Wow. Wow. Fish. Maybe this guy knows a little bit about fishing. But I sure don't. Nothing. Now, little rockets. This guy here, this is about the only fish I know anything much about. And even this guy, I wouldn't know how to catch. I don't know much from fish. Not much at all. No, these fish. These fish. These I know. I know how to catch them. This guy, not so sure. Fish in the lake, not so sure. Fish in the ocean, not at all sure. Come to think of it though, I do know one thing about fish. Fish are hungry. Fish are really hungry. What's this? Come here, little guy. Hello? Hello? Yeah. Eat. 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 Fish are hungry. Fish are hungry. Like people. And fishermen are patient. That's what they are. I think Jesus knew that too. You and me, we're a little bit like fish. We're hungry. Hungry for love, which is another way of saying hungry for God. And Andrew and Peter and James and John, they were perfect for this work. Because fishermen, know how to be patient. Fishermen know how to hope. And patience and hope, they'll win the day. They'll feed our fish. They'll catch men and women.